Caribe Royale Resort in Orlando. So let's review this. And this is a beautiful hotel. It's a resort. So we checked in at resort at night. We got our room in Tower 1 on 8th floor. Parking is not free. They charge $30 per day for the parking. We found this expensive. Now this is the lobby area for the Tower 1. Resort is pretty clean. So here is the elevator. Let me show you our room now. We ordered pizza and burger to eat at night. That was pretty good. They charge additional $7 for each bottle of water in the room. So we had got our own water bottles. There's a nice microwave inside. The next day we decided to spend half of our day in the resort and enjoy the pool, as the weather was bright and sunny. Swimming pool is pretty good and kids enjoyed it. There is a water slide and that is fun too. So we were near the swimming area and this is a beautiful pathway. Now I'm going to the Tower 1 where we got our room. It's a beautiful resort. The resort is overall clean, but we did not have good experience with the staff. They were not ready to explain us additional charges that were put on our final bill. We felt that the daily parking fees is a lot. Tea bags were refilled in our room only upon the request. One important tip: Check out before the time. Any delay in checkouts gets reflected as additional charge. We did our checkout on time, so we were good on this. Our experience with this resort was okay. I would rate it as above average, but not that great. Hope you liked this video and found this informative and useful. So please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.